What you're seeing behind us is known as Saber Guardian 23. It's an exercise that happens in southeastern Europe almost every year, and it brings together a number of different nations from across Europe, from Great Britain, and even the United States. And this one's about crossing a river, obviously, but it's more than just building a bridge. It's demonstrating our ability to quickly place a bridge, to defend one side, to quickly attack the far side using every piece of enabler, every piece of equipment, all coming together as a combined arms effort. Clearly, a lot going on behind us here, and I think this demonstrates a couple of things. First is it demonstrates we can go wherever we want, whenever we want, and we've been doing this for the last several days, using multiple means to cross a wet gap up to 1,000 meters, and we've proven we're pretty good at that. The other thing this demonstrates is our credibility. That when we show up somewhere and we say something, we're going to follow through on that. Whether that's our commitment to the partners here in southeastern Europe, or to the overall alliance. So being able to cross a wet gap is incredibly important. I mean, you see terrain like this all throughout Europe, all throughout the continent. And so being able to do this quickly and rapidly and maintain your combat power and that momentum and seize the initiative on the other side is critically important.
So in the background is 11 M2A3 Bradley fighting vehicles. Today we are actually going across the Danube River. We're the last in the order of movement, as we are the decisive operation. So everything that is going into this is prepping the battlefield. Our NATO partners are setting it up for us. So as we cross the river and reach our objective, we'll be able to do that successfully because of them fighting the fight before we get to our part. Now the Bradleys behind me, they weigh anywhere between 30 and 33 tons. And the pontoon bridge that we are crossing is a Romanian bridge. And each pontoon that is connected is rated for 60 tons. So that was important as far as safety goes for us to understand that capability, but also it gives us confidence that that this enormous restricted terrain in front of us will not stop us from crossing to accomplish our mission. So we learn from each other while we're here, and also we learn to trust each other. We have U.S. rafts that are taken across Romanian APCs. We have Bulgarian ferries that are taken across North Macedonian vehicles. I mean, it's all part of working together, and now we know that if we have to do this anywhere in the world, we have experience with it, and that builds confidence, and we also have confidence in our partners as well. This is our second multinational exercise with NATO, and we've learned a lot so far and look forward to doing it at any opportunity that we get.
In Romania, especially in the east flank of the NATO, we have a rich network of rivers. So basically this is the main obstacle when you can stop if we have an aggression. So during our exercise we prepare to cross this type of obstacle together with the maneuver forces. If we cannot cross this type of obstacle, the fight stop in the front of this obstacle. So it's very important to us to learn together, because we have different tactics, different TTPs. We have engineers from many countries here, and of course we have maneuver forces for allies and partners.